guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Robin. This is my helper today, Hendrix. And today I am so excited because this is my very first ever YouTube collaboration. It's called Let's Spring Into Summer. So what I did was take some thrift store finds and give them a fresh new look for your summertime decor. Now I will explain all about the collaboration after this first DIY. So what do you say, Hendrix? You ready to go? You want to tell them? Say, get into it. All right, let's go, guys. Okay, y'all, let's get into this first DIY. Now, when I saw this sign at the thrift store, I knew it had potential, but it was in desperate need of a makeover. So I gave it 2 good coats of white chalk paint, and it took 2 really heavy coats to cover this up, but I wanted the white to build a base. And then as you see there, I ended up painting it with the Ocean Waverly chalk paint. Next, I'm using a transfer from Couture that says life is better in the country. And I'm just applying the white paste with my squeegee. It goes on so easy. But I love these colors together. I love the blue, the pop of white, and then I do the leaves at the bottom in the sage color green. And I love these colors for summer. It's bright, it's simple, and to me it just says summertime. And life is better in the country, in my opinion, because I'm a country girl. So this is me to a T. Now here I'm just using my Arteza paint marker and just giving it a little extra something by adding some little dots of yellow down there to the leaves. And next I'm just distressing it with the same brush that I used before with a little bit of the white chalk paint, just going around the edges, not a whole lot, just for a little distressing. And there it is. I think this turned out so pretty, very simple, it's bright, and definitely got a refresh for summer. As I mentioned before, this video is part of the Let's Spring Into Summer collaboration with 7 very gifted ladies here on YouTube. I am so excited for this collab. We have all worked hard. There will be a link to the playlist in my description box below. So please go visit that playlist and each of the ladies in it. Give them some love and tell them Robin sent you over. Okay, this next DIY, a friend gifted me several of these 12-inch grapevine wreaths. So nothing to me, you know, screams summer like a nice, fresh, colorful wreath. And I'd had these teal colored peonies laying in my stash for quite a while. So I thought, well, it's the perfect time to use them. And then I also had these Billy buttons. At least that's what Walmart called them. Around here, we call them gumballs. But anyway, they had a little bit of texture to them, so I'm just cutting those off. And I do like to cut my stems a little longer than what I think I'll need, because, you know, you can always cut off the extra. You know, you can't, you know what I mean. It's better to have a little more than not enough. So I'm just placing those in, and I'm using hot glue to help secure some of the pieces wherever I think they need it. And as you see, I added some eucalyptus and just some scrap greenery that I had laying around. Now, y'all, don't throw away those leaves off your stems, because you never know when you're going to need them. And then I took these blue forget-me-nots, and I just thought this color blue went with the teal and the yellow. I just thought it was really, really pretty. Very simple wreath. I didn't put an elaborate bow on it or anything. It just, I don't know, to me, it says summer. I love the yellows and the blues together. What do y'all think? What colors are y'all decorating for summer? If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate a big thumbs up and drop me a comment below. Let me know how you're decorating for summer. I just love these simple DIYs in this video because to me, simplicity is what summer should be all about. The final DIY is a tray makeover that I found at this thrift store. And the minute I saw it, I'm like, you are so coming home with me because I saw really great potential in it. So the first thing I did was take out my sander and sand off all the layers of paint and polyurethane. Next, I took it outside and gave it one good coat of my Rust-Oleum flat white spray paint with the built-in primer. And y'all, this little spray paint helper is amazing. I can't spray paint to save my life. I always get runs and drips, and it's just a mess. But this thing, oh my goodness, I love it. No runs, no drips, but I gave it a good coat all over, bottom, nooks, crannies, whole 9 yards. And then once it had a chance to dry, I brought it back inside my newly remodeled she shed that hopefully I will have a video of that for you guys soon so you can see what it looks like. I'm so proud of it. But the tray was a little bit too stark white. So I decided just to go over it with one good coat of the plaster chalk paint by Waverly. I decided that the perfect decoration for this tray was this lemon chalk couture transfer. This transfer was a part of the Club Couture transfer of the month, and it was either May or June, but it says Sweet Lemon Grove, where troubles melt like lemon drops. Now, if you're not familiar with Club Couture is a monthly membership for less than $20 a month. Chalk Couture will send you one B-size transfer and 3 paste single packs to do your design. And this design is not available for purchase on the website by the public. It's only available to Chalk Couture members and designers like myself. So I encourage y'all, that is a great way to try out Chalk Couture. For less than $20 a month, check out Club Couture. You will also enjoy like members only special deals every month and $4.95 flat rate shipping. So once you go in and become a member of Club Couture, check out, log back in, and I would suggest adding the Chalk It Up kit, which gives you tools that you're going to need. It's a really great price, a fabulous deal, and I'm telling y'all, Chalk Couture will definitely take your crafting to a whole new level. I'm obsessed with it. I truly am. I'm so glad I found these products. And then here comes the magic. No drips, no bleeds. I love this piece, guys. The yellow against the white of the tray. I love it. It's so, so pretty. And here they all are together. 3 very simple, colorful summer DIYs that are going to look great in my home. I love them all 3 together. These colors, to me, represent summer. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please go visit the ladies in the playlist and give their videos a big thumbs up. Tell them Robin sent you over. And as always, thank you so, so much for watching and supporting me on my YouTube journey. Don't forget to subscribe, and y'all go get your craft on. Bye.